Let us start with this question, question number 62. That is the first question of partial differentiation. Z equal to question number 62. That is the first question of partial differentiation. Here Z equal to x square plus 7xy plus 2y square is given. Okay. Now we want to find out this. It is known as delta z upon delta x. Don't say dz upon dx. Delta or dou z upon dou x. That is better. But you can say delta. Actually, it is not delta, it is dou z upon dou x. But you can say that delta z upon delta x, no problem. This indicate partial differentiation of z with respect to x. Partial differentiation of z with respect to x. Now tell me, if I have a question like this, y equal to x square plus 35x plus 50, and if I want to find out dy by dx, tell me the answer. Derivative of y with respect to x, tell me the answer.
2x plus
2x plus
35.
35.
2x plus 35. Correct. So the same way we have to find out the answer of this question. Here, when we differentiate z with respect to x, then we have to assume y as a constant number. Y as a constant number. You can consider y is a constant number. You can assume any number. Let us say 5. So you can assume y equal to 5. So now if we assume y equal to 5, what we get? If we assume y equal to 5, what we get? X square plus 7 into 5, that is 35. X plus 5 square 25, 2s are 50, which is all same like this. So you can assume any value of y, or don't assume value of y, just think that y is a constant. Just think that y is a constant and differentiate this with with respect to x only. With respect to x only. So can you tell me what is the answer for x square? What is derivative of x square with respect to x? What is the answer of derivative of x square with respect to x?
2x.
2x plus. Now which are the constant here? Tell me which are the constant here?
Y.
And 7. 7 is also constant, same like y. So keep 7y as it is and differentiate this part. What is derivative of x?
1.
1 plus. Now tell me what is derivative of 2y square? Yes, please, once again.
Nothing.
What is derivative of 2y square?
0, sir.
0. Perfect. Why? Because it's a constant number. There is no x here. So this is the answer. Dou z upon dou x equal to 2x plus 7y over. Now differentiate this z with respect to y, keeping x constant. Consider x is a constant here. So now tell me what is the derivative of x square?
0.
0 plus. Which are the constant here?
X
And
in 7.
7x is a constant. What is the derivative of y?
1.
1.
1. Perfect. Plus. What is the derivative of 2y square?
4y.
4.
4y.
Perfect. So we get the answer 7x plus 4y over. So this is the way to differentiate. So if there is a one function z, z is a function of x and y. Let us say it is denoted by f of xy. So z is a function of two variables x and y. If we differentiate z with respect to x, keeping y constant, then it is denoted by delta z upon delta x, or sometimes delta f upon delta x, or sometimes only fx. And if we differentiate this z with respect to y, then it is denoted by delta z upon delta y, or delta f upon delta x, sorry, delta y, or simply fy. Okay, now if we differentiate this delta z upon delta x once again with respect to x, so it is known as second order derivative. This one is the first order derivative. Now if we again differentiate, then it is known as second order derivative. Now differentiating this delta z upon delta x with respect to x again, then it is delta z square upon delta x square. So once again second order derivative, or you can say it is delta square f upon delta x square, or simply you can write f x x. But if we differentiate this with respect to y, then it is denoted by delta square z upon delta y delta x, or you can say delta square f upon delta y delta x, or you can say that fyx. Now if we differentiate this with respect to x, then it is delta square z upon delta x delta y, or another way delta square f upon delta x delta y, or simply fxy. But if we differentiate this with respect to y, once again y with respect to y, once again second time derivative, then it is denoted by delta square z upon delta y square, or delta square f upon delta y square, or fyy. So this is what we have to study in this particular topic up to second order derivative, but it is a partial differentiation. So and always these two value fyx and fxy, always they are equal. Okay, so let us repeat this question number 62. Let us repeat. Let us start. The question is z, or you can say that fxy, it's same thing, function of x and y. It is what? X square plus 7xy plus 2y square. And if there is a question, find fxx, fxy, fyx, fyy. This is the question. So let us start. How to find out the answer? First, fxx. How to what is fxx? It is nothing but second order derivative, but partial with respect to x and then once again with respect to x. So first of all, let us find out fx. Now tell me, what is fx? Derivative, partial differentiation with respect to x. So y is constant here. So tell me the answer. What is derivative of x square with respect to x? Once again,
2x plus 7.
2x plus 7.
Y.
7y. Why? Because derivative of x is 1. And what is derivative of 2y square? Obviously 0. Okay. Now tell me, what is fy here? So differentiate this with respect to y. Tell me the answer.
7x plus 4y.
Perfect. Now, once again differentiate this with respect to x. Tell me the answer. Differentiate this with respect to x. What is derivative of 2x?
2 plus 7y.
2 plus
7y.
y, 7y. Here y is a constant. Y is a constant.
So 0.
Correct, 0. Because y is a constant number and there is no x here. We have to differentiate with respect to x. There is no x here. So derivative is 0. Now tell me, differentiate this with respect to y. Differentiate this with respect to y. Tell me the answer. What is derivative of 2x?
0 plus 7.
Perfect. 0 plus 7. So we get 7. This is what? Fyx. Okay, this is what? Fxx. This is answer for first part. This is answer of second part. Now, once again differentiate this with respect to x. Differentiate this with respect to x. Tell me the answer.
7 plus 0.
7 plus 0. That is 7. That is what? Fxy. And see, fyx and fxy, they are always same. Okay, now differentiate this with respect to y.
0 plus 4.
0 plus 4, that is what? 4. So this is the way to find out the answer. Okay, let us do one more question. Question number 63. fxy is given. So fxy equal to x square plus 7xy plus y square plus 2x plus 5y plus 7. And what we have to find out here? Delta f upon delta x. Delta f upon delta x, that is nothing but fx. Now tell me the answer for this part. What is derivative of x square?
2x.
2x plus,
7y.
correct, plus,
0.
correct, plus
Plus 2.
2 plus
0.
plus.
0.
So what is the answer? 2x plus 7y plus 2 over. Now delta f upon delta y, that means differentiation with respect to y. Okay, tell me, what is the derivative of x square?
0.
Then
7x. 2y.
perfect, then
0.
correct,
Pi.
then.
0.
So the final answer is 7x plus 2y plus 5 over. So this is very simple if you know differentiation. Let us do one more example. 64. Z equal to 2x square minus 3xy plus 2y square. And we have to find out second order derivative with respect to x and y. So first of all, delta z upon delta x. Tell me the answer with respect to x.
4x,
3y.
3y,
3y plus
0.
correct. Okay. Now once again differentiate with respect to x to this part only. Tell me the answer.
4 minus 0.
4 minus 0, 4 over. Now delta z upon delta y. Tell me the derivative of z with respect to y.
0 minus 3x plus 4y.
Correct. Now once again differentiate with respect to y. No need to write 0.
0 plus 4.
So 4. But not necessarily always we have a same answer. Right now we get the same answer. That is a different issue, but it is not compulsory. So try to find out the answer for this question number 65 by yourself. That is the only one example in homework. Remaining we will discuss in our next lecture. So this is enough for today. If you have any question regarding this, tell me.